Okay, hi, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today I would like to present about the causes of a revolutionary war in America. Okay, so this is first causes about the why happened the revolution. Okay, first French and Indian War 1950s, 1756 to 1763. This war happened between Britain and France. This war also known as the Second Hundred Years' War. Okay, why this war was happened? Okay, this is the causes. Okay, so basically the expansion of France into Ohio River and then British colonies claimed that it is claimed over it, and especially in Virginia. So you can see the map I put. Okay, so you can see the Ohio River. So there over in front of the Ohio was the West Virginia. Okay, there is the place where the war happened. Okay, then I also give you a video so that a short video so that you can more understand about the histories of France and Indian war just in 3 minutes. Okay, so then we proceed to okay. So basically, the second point why the revolution of America start was because the Sugar Act 1764. Okay, Sugar Act was established to sustain British colonial expenditure. Okay, expansion. Okay, I'm sorry. Okay, because of what? Because of firstly, during this time, uh, the colonial power was started to what we call it to have their colonial uh, colonial what we call it colonial place. Okay, so they need to have money to send their army, send their ship over there, over that place. Okay. Then I would like to go to second point, which is British legislation aimed at ending the smuggled trade in sugar and molasses from the French and Dutch West Indies and at providing increased revenue to fund enlarged British Empire responsibility following the French and Indian War. Okay, then the third point was also known as Plantation Act and Revenue Act. This act also known as Plantation Act and Revenues Act. Okay. The fourth one is as for this, Parliament has the right to determine what will they trade for their empire. So I will proceed to the okay. Then why it's happened? Okay, the result for this is this act provides strong custom enforcement of the duties on refined sugar and molasses imported into the colonies from non-British Caribbean sources. Protest has been received from America against the enforcement of the Molasses Act, together with a plea that the duty be set at 1 penny per gallon. Next point is, although warning were issued that the traffic could be no more than that, the government of Prime Minister George Grenville refused to listen and placed a 3 penny duty on foreign molasses in the act. As a result of the Sugar Act, the earlier clandestine trade in foreign sugar and thus much colonial maritime commerce were severely hampered. You can see the picture of their demonstration. American people. Okay, this is the poster that I get from the internet. Okay, this is the figure that involved in this sugar in this act. Okay, Daniel Dulani of Maryland. So I would like to proceed to America next. American next acts that contribute the revolution. Okay, Stamp Act 1757. Okay, Stamp Act 1756. Okay, the first tax of wide range of transaction in the colonies. Rise. Second point is the rise revenue on all colonial, commercial and legal papers, newspapers, pamphlets, playing card, and etc. Okay. Thirdly, had to be inscribed on paper, embossed with a government stamp. Okay. This act will usually make lots of people will disagree. Okay, as what I have made some research that if you don't have any representative in the parliament, so that it will burden you. Okay, this effect will be after this Stamp Act 1756. The effect was largely what we call it very big effect. Okay, firstly, boycott over British goods. So the people of British Empire, British Britain Empire, they boycott all the goods that come from British because of they did not agree with Stamp Act. Then the second one is the establishment of Son of Liberty. In Son of Liberty is the group of people that's against this Stamp Act. Then thirdly, whoever was loyal with British, they will be harassed. Okay. What we call that? What we call it? They will be punished, or they will be something like um, what we call it? They will be okay. It's okay. So I forgot about the meaning. Okay, so we proceed to okay. The third one was the we call it as Tam Township Act. Township Act. I'm sorry if the pronunciation is very poor. Okay, so it was established in British Parliament 1767. Okay, this act was named after Charles Townshend, British Chancellor of Exchequer, imposed duties on British China glass, lead, pen, paper, and tea. Okay, next we would like to go for American colonies. Uh, American colonies who did not have representative in uh, Parliament saw this act as a abuse power. Okay, because of what? If the colonies or American colonies did not have their representative in Parliament, so that they cannot do or have tax to gain the tax. Okay. For the tax good in Okay. Third point was for tax goods imported to the American colonies. Okay. Next was okay. This is the video. Okay, video that I posted. Search from YouTube. So there will be this video will talk briefly, okay, about the what township act. Okay, so I would like to post what I would like to uh, pass to my friend Mas Amirul about the Boston Massacre. Thank you.